Hey there, curious minds! Welcome to our science adventure. Today we're going to explore a super cool, invisible force called magnetism. It's like magic, but it's real science. Ready to have some fun? Let's dive in. Look at these little guys. These are magnets and they have special powers. Every magnet has two ends called poles. One is the North Pole, which we can label with an N, and the other is the South Pole, labeled with an S. Think of them like best friends who either love to hug or need their personal space. Now let's see what happens when we bring two magnets close together. If we try to connect a North Pole to a South Pole, whoa, they snap together. That's because opposite poles attract. They just can't resist each other. It's like they're giving each other a big, strong hug. See how they pull each other closer? That's the magnetic force in action. But what if we try to push two of the same poles together? Let's try putting a North Pole next to another North Pole. Boing. They push each other away. It's like they're saying, nope, too close. This is called repulsion. The same thing happens with two South Poles. Same poles repel, meaning they push apart. So, opposites attract and same poles repel. Got it? Awesome. Now for the really fun part. Magnets don't just attract other magnets. They also love to pull on certain types of metal. Watch this! We have some paper clips here. Let's bring our magnet friend close to them. Look at that! The paper clips jump right up and stick to the magnet. Isn't that amazing? The magnetic force reaches out and grabs them. This is because these paper clips are made of a metal that magnets love, like iron or steel. Have you ever seen a compass? It's a super useful tool that helps people find their way. The secret behind a compass is, you guessed it, a magnet. The needle inside a compass is a tiny little magnet. And guess what? Our whole planet, Earth, is like a giant magnet with its own north and south poles. The compass needle always wants to point to the Earth's North Pole. That's why it spins around until it finds the right direction, helping explorers know which way is north. So, to wrap it all up, magnetism is an incredible invisible force all around us. We learned that magnets have a north and a south pole. Opposite poles attract, pulling together for a magnetic hug, while same poles repel, pushing each other away. And magnets can pull on metal objects like paper clips and even help us find our way with a compass. Science is so cool, right? Thanks for joining our magnetic adventure today. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Keep exploring, stay curious, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more amazing science discoveries. See you next time. Bye.